Imagine posting a full music video on your channel without ever recording a single shot. Let me show you how I did it. This is completely free. Unlimited. Watch this.
Under the blue of the midnight sky, I watch the glow of porch lights nearby. My hands pressed close to heart, I sigh. Maybe tomorrow love passes by. Ooh, I'm waiting. Ooh, I'm hoping. Ribbons of headlights winding down the street. I trace them softly with my cheek on the glass. Each passing moment a gentle repeat of wishing quietly, let this night not last. Pages filled with secret dreams, written in silver and moonbeams. Outside silence I believe love will come drifting.
Today we're going to create a full AI music video. And the best part, you don't need to be a music producer. You don't need to be an artist. You don't even need rhythm in your life. And honestly, it's kind of addictive. Stay with me for the next few minutes because the workflow I'm about to show you will let you make unlimited music videos with zero budget. Alright, first step, go to Google and type Sinato AI, click the first link and sign in. This is the magic machine that generates unlimited music with lyrics, no credits, no limits, nothing. When you land here, you'll see tracks made by other users, but we're here to make our own. So let's look at the creation options. Sinato gives us two ways to generate music, simple mode and advanced mode. In simple mode, all you do is describe your idea, hit generate, and Sinato handles everything, even the lyrics. Advanced mode gives you way more control. You can add tags, change genres, adjust styles, everything. And look at this, so many tags. You can literally build the vibe of your song just by clicking these. By the way, keep watching because something crazy happens when we generate the track. I'll show you how to extend the song, edit individual parts, even extract stems. Super useful stuff. If you enable fancy mode, your track gets longer and higher quality, and if you turn on more advanced, only do this if you really know what you want, you get even more customization. And finally, lyrics. You have three options: auto lyrics, custom lyrics, no lyrics, instrumental only. Okay, let's make our track. I'm using advanced mode. My idea is, a shy girl from a small village keeps her feelings tucked away. I'm adding a few tags and hitting generate. After a few minutes, I got two variations of the same song. Both sound great.
Every morning when you pass my window, I turn away before I catch your eye. Hands full of wildflowers trembling just so.
Every morning when you pass my window, I turn away before I catch your eye. Hands full of wildflowers.
When you play the track, the lyrics appear here. Our song is 1 minute 35 seconds long, but Sinato lets you extend the song once and even select which part you want to extend. You can replace sections you don't like, or use a part as a reference to regenerate new variations. You can also download stems, and if you want, it can generate a lyrics video too. Alright, don't go anywhere. The real magic starts now. We're about to create cinematic visuals for your music video using just one prompt. Now it's time to create the prompts for our visuals. For this, we're using ChatGPT with a special mega prompt I'll put in the description. You can customize this prompt with your track length, number of scenes, your character details, everything. Now, here's the important part. For genre section in the prompt, Go back to Sonato, copy the genre tags, paste them into the prompt. And then copy the lyrics, paste those too. When you hit enter, ChatGPT gives you a main character prompt, a style prompt, 20 image prompts, 20 animation prompts, all in a perfect linear story for your song. Next step, we build all the visuals, and this is the most satisfying part. Open Whisk AI. Here, we can generate consistent characters and unlimited images. First, paste your character prompt and your style prompt. Don't forget the style prompt. This keeps everything consistent. Select your aspect ratio and hit generate. Once your character looks right, download the image and upload it into the subject box. This locks the character identity. Now enter your first scene prompt plus style prompt, always include the style prompt, then lock your seed. This will let you generate perfectly consistent images even after 10 generations. Do this for all 20 scenes. Download them and number them in order so nothing gets mixed up. Now let's make our video clips. For this, we're using Meta AI. Totally free, totally unlimited. Click the plus icon, create video. Upload your first image, then paste the matching animation prompt and paste your style prompt again. Hit animate and wait a few seconds. Boom, you get a 5-second cinematic shot. If you don't like it, regenerate. Repeat this for all 20 images, and by the end, you'll have a full set of cinematic clips ready to edit. Now let's put it all together, and watch the final magic. Open your video editor. Import your clips and your track. Place them on the timeline. Match the visuals with the vocals, add transitions or effects if you want, and export. Here is our free AI-generated music video.
Every morning when you pass my window, I turn away before I catch your eye. Hands full of wildflowers trembling just so, longing to say hello, I just sigh. Oh, oh, sigh and smile. Just for a while. Tracks in the field, the dust on my apron, I sing your name.
And that's it, if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more AI workflows. See you in the next one.